Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video. If you have a Kia Optima, guys, your steering wheel horn, the horn on the steering wheel doesn't work and you're trying to find the fuse. You actually have two fuses, and also guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain why it's very important to actually test your fuses even if you're replacing them with a brand new fuse. So let's start on it now. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So as you can see right here, guys, this is the engine compartment. Even if you have a different engine, the procedure should be about the same, guys, for that Kia Optima, that generation. So this is the fuse box, one notch here, one there. You need to squish, pull straight up, check it out, and it comes up. Those are the fuses. On the back side you can see the fuses printed. What we did, we actually, guys, printed the page and tried to zoom it a little bit so we can show with a great detail. Now the first fuse that you need to check, it's super simple. It's called a horn fuse, guys. Okay, right here it's actually a 15 amp fuse. So if you come in the fuse box, okay, over here you can see that fuse right here. This is known as a horn fuse. If you guys need to replace them, pretty simple. You get that fuse puller right here, go on top of the fuse, okay, squish on the front and pull it out, and this is the fuse. Now sometimes it's super easy to tell if a fuse is good or bad. You can just look and see if it's burned. In some cases you may think it's a good fuse, but actually it's a bad fuse. What we recommend, always test them, guys. If you don't know how to do that, we have a video that explains how to test the fuse in just a few seconds, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Also, guys, okay, even if you're putting a new fuse, always test them, because if you put a bad fuse in your car, you're going to spend so much time and money to fix your Kia Optima when all you had to do, test it and replace it with a good fuse. Now we have another one as well, guys, okay, that's controlling the horn. So we're going to go ahead and install this one and show you which other one it could be. In that case, guys, you have a fuse that's called EMS. So EMS, it's a 40 amp fuse, and it's that first fuse, okay, right here. You can see that fuse controls the horn as well, so very important fuse. Check it out. Okay, you can see if it's burnt or not through the glass, but I would definitely recommend to test them as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.